guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say shout out to my subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? I really do appreciate the love and support. I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing and thank y'all for watching my YouTube channel. So today's video is basically going to be all about, oh my god, the best hand soap made ever. Okay, this is about Miss Bunny Bebe's. You guys, in the last video I had the name all wrong, but it's Bunny Bebe's LLC.com. I don't know where I get Baby Bunny Bella. I don't know, maybe it was the font, I don't know. But y'all, oh my god, this soap, as y'all can see from the last video compared to now, this soap is everything. Yes, oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I went on the website, you guys, which I should have did before. I was just expecting a card, but I went on the website and I did not know like all of that good stuff, like all of the good natural stuff was in this soap. Like, that's why I love it so much. But let me just get to the ingredients and let y'all know what's in this soap, okay? Let me see. Okay, so what this website, because this website is really like high-key bomb, okay? Don't be sleeping on this website. I had to wake up. So it lets you know what all the line consists of, which is bath bombs, shower fizzes, soap, lotion, shower gel, candles, and the ingredients, okay, grand finale, alright, shea butter, coconut butter, mango butter, olive oil, donkey's milk, okay? Donkey's milk, some good stuff. Y'all need to research that. Look up donkey milk to see what it do for your body, boo-boo, okay? Donkey milk, goat's milk, sorry about my phone, goat's milk, essential vitamins E, C, and aloe vera. Also healing and healthy components in our lotion, bath bombs, soaps, and shower gels. Yes. They have a foot massager, shower curtains, shower caps, sponges. They got everything. She got everything on this website. Go and look at this website, y'all. It's BunnyBBLLC.com. Not Bunny Bell, not Bunny Bella, but Bunny BB LLC. Cause I had the name mixed up. Instagram. Yes, oh my god, y'all. But let's go back to some stuff she got on here that I seen. It's just, they got deodorant. Like, deodorant. Like, who got deodorant? I want to try this deodorant too. It says signature Bunny BB handcrafted vanilla vegan. Okay. Oh my goodness. And she has a signature Bunny BB handcrafted lavender and vanilla lotion. Yes. Yes. Those are two of my favorite, lavender and vanilla. And and honey. Y'all know I love me some honey. Hold on, let me see what else. Oh my goodness, this is just so good. So these are just some of the benefits of having natural ingredients infused in like your normal everyday like skincare products. So it's moisturizing, reduces inflammation. Now I don't know about y'all, but y'all know it's the summertime, okay? I had a little freezing in the back. Don't tell nobody though. Don't tell nobody. Okay, but I don't know about y'all. It's the summertime. I'm in Florida. It's a lot of bugs, a lot of mosquitoes, everything out here trying to bite you, and your skin gets inflamed and it's irritating. Like, you don't want to be all red and puffy. So this reduces inflammation. Soothes the skin, yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. 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 Also has vitamin E. Vitamin E helps alleviate fatigue and strengthens capillary walls while nourishing the cells. Girl, I need this. I need this in my life. Coconut oil. The health benefits of coconut oil for skin are amazing. The oil possesses antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial, and yeah, I did hear that about coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for like keeping germs down and stuff as far as on your surface, the surface of your skin. So I have heard that about coconut oil. But overall, you guys, I'm just blown away, hands down. I'm blown away by this company. I'm blown away by the fact that everything is handmade. Not only that, it's natural ingredients, natural properties, and this soap that helps your skin. And I have mentioned in several of my videos that I do have sickle cell anemia, and the skin is basically protection for your body. Having a weakened, just affected immune system from sickle cell anemia, it's a little hectic sometimes keeping, you know, your making sure your skin is good. Like any open surfaces on your skin could potentially be an infection, could potentially become staph infection or anything like that, especially when your immune system is weakened. So the fact that this soap is a product of keeping me healthy as far as nurturing and making sure my skin is where it needs to be to for me to be healthy is amazing. Like, I'm just blown away. So shout out to Miss Bunny Bebe. Definitely you guys go down, I'll put everything down in the description box below. I put her website down there. You guys go and check it out. It's amazing, hands down. But thank you guys again for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you are not subscribed already, honey, you need to hit the subscribe button. And I just want to say, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.